So, it looks like there was some kind of misunderstanding surrounding the original leaked information about the iPhone 18 Pro. Initially, it was rumored that Apple was going to introduce a punch hole cutout in the display. This punch hole was expected to be on the top left side of the display, but that is not happening anymore. Although this punch hole design was reported by many different sources, new information now says that the original leaked document for the iPhone 18 Pro was misinterpreted. The top area of the iPhone will actually have a sensor setup that consists of a camera, a scanner, and an illuminator positioned on the left side. The illuminator was misinterpreted as a punch hole camera. In reality, the infrared illuminator will be sitting under the display on the top left side. This change will lead to shrinking of the dynamic island. Yes, the dynamic island is still staying and it is going to remain centered. It is just going to shrink a bit. This is really good news for everyone who was annoyed by the idea of a punch hole camera design on the top left side. For 2026, the dynamic island is going to shrink. And for the 20th anniversary iPhone, Apple is reportedly going to completely remove the dynamic island. This clearly aligns with Apple's roadmap. It is interesting how things were misinterpreted by many, including John Prosser and Mac rumors. With a reduced dynamic island, it will give Apple more room at the top and the overall display will look more futuristic. Screen sizes are expected to remain about the same at 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches for the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, respectively. We might also see slightly reduced bezels on these new iPhones. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is reported to be the heaviest iPhone yet, coming in at around 243 grams. Due to a bigger battery and more internal components, this is expected to be the heaviest iPhone Apple has ever made. The rest of the rumored features include satellite connectivity via low Earth orbit satellites and a faster 2nm A20 chipset. The 2nm chipset is also expected to arrive in M6 MacBooks later this year. Production for the displays of these MacBooks has already started. I hope this clears a misunderstanding that many of us had fallen for. The iPhone 18 Pro now looks solid and like a nice upgrade for anyone currently using an iPhone 14 Pro or 15 Pro. With that said, I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe for the latest info and coverage on Apple products.